Is Relay a reliable bank? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Relay, a new online bank that's been getting a lot of attention lately. I've been using Relay for a few months now, and I've been really impressed with it so far. But is it really a reliable bank? That's what we're going to find out in this video. What is Relay? Relay is a new online bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Relay is unique in that it offers a number of features that are not typically found at traditional banks. For example, Relay offers a high-yield savings account with no minimum balance. Relay also offers a number of features that make it easy to manage your money, such as the ability to set up automatic savings transfers and track your spending habits. Is Relay a reliable bank? So, is Relay a reliable bank? I believe that it is. Relay is a member of the FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. Relay also uses a number of security measures to protect your information. For example, Relay uses SSL encryption to protect your data when you are online. Relay also offers two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. What are the pros and cons of Relay? Pros: high-yield savings account with no minimum balance. Easy to manage your money. FDIC insured. Uses a number of security measures to protect your information. Offers a variety of banking services. Cons: no physical branches. Limited customer service hours. Not as well known as some other banks. Conclusion: overall, I believe that Relay is a reliable bank that offers a number of great features. If you are looking for a new bank, I would recommend giving Relay a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Additional tips: be sure to do your own research before opening an account with any bank. Read reviews from other customers. Compare the features and fees of different banks before making a decision. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Here are some additional resources that you may find helpful. Relay Bank website, invalid URL removed. FDIC website. Reviews of Relay Bank, invalid URL removed. Thanks for watching.